Welcome to our yoga session focused on stress relief and relaxation. In our fast-paced world, it's all too easy to forget about taking time for ourselves. It's about time we change that, don't you think? Today, we're going to do just that. We're going to explore beneficial yoga poses and techniques designed to calm the mind and rejuvenate the body. We'll focus on releasing tension, easing stress, and promoting an overall sense of well-being. All you need to do is to find a quiet space where you can unwind without interruptions. This could be a serene corner of your home, a peaceful outdoor setting, or any place where you feel secure and comfortable. Once you've found your space, let's take a moment to settle down. Now take a few deep, conscious breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Let this breathing rhythm guide you into tranquility. Find a quiet space and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through the nose, feeling the breath fill your lungs. As we embark on these deep breathing exercises, let's remember why we're here. It's not just about the physical act of breathing, it's about the mental and emotional release that comes with it. Imagine for a moment a balloon. As we inhale, we're filling that balloon, not with air, but with every worry, stress, and negative thought that's been clouding our minds. With every inhalation, we're taking those burdens into ourselves, acknowledging them, but not allowing them to weigh us down. Now hold that breath for a moment. Feel the fullness of your lungs, the expansion of your chest. This is your moment of acknowledgement. You're recognizing the weight of these burdens, accepting their presence. But remember, acceptance is not the same as surrender. We are not our worries, we are not our stress, and we are not our negative thoughts. Now exhale slowly through the mouth, releasing any tension. As you release that breath, you're letting go of those burdens. You're not ignoring them, you're not denying them, you're simply releasing them. You're acknowledging that they exist, but you're choosing not to let them control you. Feel the sense of relief as you let go, the lightness that comes with release. Notice the subtle changes in your body, the softening of your muscles, the relaxation of your brow. This is the power of deep breathing. And as we continue with these exercises, remember that every breath is an opportunity to inhale positivity, to hold and acknowledge your experiences, and to exhale and release what no longer serves you. So let's continue. Inhale deeply, hold and exhale slowly. Let your body and mind work together. Let them guide you through this process. Remember, this is your journey, your practice. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Only your way. So let's breathe, let's release, and let's find our way to a more peaceful, balanced life. Exhale slowly through the mouth, releasing any tension. And as we conclude this deep breathing exercise, let's carry this sense of calm and release with us, not just in our practice, but in our lives. Let's move into some gentle yoga poses like forward fold, downward dog, and seated twist. Our first pose is the forward fold. This pose encourages the body to let go of tension, helping to release tightness in the back and hamstrings. To do this, stand tall, then bend forward at the hips, allowing the upper body to hang loosely. Let your arms dangle or hold onto your elbows. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs and let your head hang heavy for a nice neck release. Breathe deeply and let each exhale take you a little deeper into the pose. Next, we transition into the downward dog. This pose rejuvenates the body and calms the mind. Start on your hands and knees. Press your palms down and lift your hips up, straightening your legs. Try to press your heels gently towards the floor, but it's okay if they don't touch. Your body should form an inverted V shape. This pose stretches the whole body, but especially the shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. It can also help relieve back pain. Our final pose in this sequence is the seated twist. This pose is excellent for increasing flexibility in the spine and relieving tension in the shoulders and hips. Start by sitting on your mat with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your right knee and place your right foot on the outside of your left thigh. Rotate your upper body to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support. Use your left arm to hug your bent knee, encouraging a deeper twist. Remember to keep your spine tall, and don't force the twist. Repeat on the other side. With each pose, focus on your breath. As you inhale, think of creating space in your body. As you exhale, think of releasing tension and sinking deeper into the pose. Yoga is not about forcing your body into positions, but rather about finding a balance between effort and ease. Remember, it's not important how the pose looks, but rather how it feels. As we move through these poses, notice how your body and mind respond. Each pose offers an opportunity to tune into your body, to notice where you're holding tension, and to consciously release that tension. This is the essence of yoga. Not just physical exercise, but a practice of mindfulness and self-awareness. Now, as we finish this sequence, sit quietly for a moment and notice how you feel. Do you feel a little more relaxed? A little more at ease? These gentle yoga poses can be a powerful tool for stress relief and relaxation. They help to calm the mind, soothe the body, and bring a sense of peace and balance. Feel your body releasing tension and embracing relaxation. As you continue your yoga journey, remember to carry this sense of calm and balance with you off the mat and into your daily life. Yoga is not just something we do, it's a way of being. And with regular practice, you can cultivate a state of centeredness and peace that extends beyond your yoga mat and into every aspect of your life. After our poses, we transition into a calming meditation. This is the moment where we move from physical engagement to mental relaxation. Close your eyes gently. With your body relaxed, let's turn our attention inward. Focus on the ebb and flow of your breath as it becomes the anchor of your awareness. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Allow your breath to become slower, deeper, and more rhythmic. As you do this, you might find thoughts popping up. That's perfectly normal. Don't try to suppress them, but also don't let them carry you away. Acknowledge them, and then let them go, like clouds drifting across the sky. This is your time, a space you've created just for you. Here there is no right or wrong, no pressure, no judgment. Just you and your breath in a dance of peaceful existence. Let go of any worries or distractions. Visualize a peaceful place like a beach or a forest. Picture the waves gently lapping at the shore or the rustling leaves whispering in the breeze. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the coolness of the water, or the earth beneath your feet. Let this image seep into every pore, every cell of your body. Now imagine yourself in this serene setting. You are alone, but not lonely, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Listen to the soothing sounds around you, the rhythmic pulse of the waves, the soft rustle of the leaves, the distant call of a bird. These sounds are like a soothing lullaby, calming your mind, soothing your soul. As you continue to breathe deeply, let your body relax into this peaceful scenery. Each inhale draws in the tranquility of this place. Each exhale releases any lingering tension or stress. Feel the gentle breeze on your face, the warmth of the sun on your skin. The air is fresh and clean, filled with the scent of the ocean or the earthy aroma of the forest. Each breath you take fills you with peace and calmness. Picture yourself walking barefoot along the beach or through the forest, feeling the texture of the sand or the crunch of leaves under your feet. Feel the connection to the earth, grounding you, centering you. Now imagine sitting down in this peaceful place, closing your eyes and just being. Let the sounds of nature be your soundtrack, the gentle rhythm of your breath your guide. With each breath, you sink deeper into relaxation, into tranquility. Let this peaceful place become your sanctuary, a place where you can retreat to whenever you need a moment of calm. Carry this tranquility with you. Let it infuse your day with peace and calmness, guiding you through any stresses or challenges you may face. Imagine yourself surrounded by tranquility. Let this image stay with you, a beacon of calm in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Embrace this tranquility, let it become a part of you. And remember, you can return to this peaceful place anytime you wish, simply by closing your eyes and taking a deep breath. For now, just sit, breathe, and be. Thank you for joining me in this yoga practice for stress relief and relaxation. We've journeyed together through deep breaths and gentle poses, finding moments of tranquility within ourselves. Remember, it's not just about the poses, but about the peace they bring. It's about the calmness that lingers even after you've rolled up your mat. Make this a part of your routine, a moment of serenity in your day. Let the tranquility seep into your everyday life, bringing with it a sense of calm and balance. You've taken a step today towards a more centered and peaceful life. And hey, if you found some peace in our session today, feel free to pass it on. Give that like button a gentle tap. Subscribe for more moments of serenity and share this journey with others. Until next time, stay centered and at peace. Namaste.